How to mention someone in a group chat in Microsoft Teams. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can mention someone on the Microsoft Teams group chat. So as here you can see, we are in a group chat and I would like to mention one of the participants in this group chat. So let me show you how you can do this. So after you have opened any group chat, you will need to click onto this message box, and then the next thing that you're going to do is that you will need to type in the at the rate. Once you type in the at the rate, it will show you the recently tagged people. And then after typing in the at the rate, you can type in the initials of their first name. So for example, let's say I've typed in some of their first name, and here is the suggested view or the suggested list of all of the people with this name within the group chat. So I can simply select the person that I want to mention, and then I can type in the rest of my message, and then I can send it and they will get the notification. So that's how easily you can mention someone in a group chat. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.